How do I create an administrator user on Ubuntu? I want to create a user having sudo powers in Ubuntu. How can I do that?
First, create the user with. You can read more about this command in the man pages of your system with man_add_user. You can then add a user to the sudo group with the command. Note that versions of Ubuntu until 11.10 will use admin as group instead of sudo. Until Ubuntu 11.10, the Unix group for administrators with root privileges through sudo had been admin. Starting with Ubuntu 12.04 LTS, it is now sudo, for compatibility with Debian and sudo itself. However, for backwards compatibility, admin group members are still recognized as administrators. If your system does not, then we need to mess with the sudoers file to grant sudo permissions. You can read about the sudoers file with man sudoers for details on the exact syntax and available options, but for simplicity's sake, you can do either of the following. Create a group with the agroup command, and then add that group to the sudoers file. Use agroup and lt, group name and gt, to create the group, and then edit the sudoers file, sudo visudo, and add the line, %and lt, group name and gt, all equals all, to the bottom. Edit the sudoers file with sudo visudo, and add an lt, username and gt, all equals all, at the bottom for each user you want to add.
The popular answer is how to re-implement, not how to add the user. Bare minimum you need to do is this. On my particular system, I am a member of the following groups. To verify what you have done,
choose System and GT, Administration and GT, Users and Groups. Select Add to add your new user. When you have completed the wizard, choose your new user and click on Account Type and change from Desktop User to Administrator.
If you really want to create super user, copy of root but with other password and home directory, and not a sudo user, use uid equals 0 and gid equals 0 for new user. Useradd u0g0 john. O allows you to create non-unique UID, root UID equals 0. U$UID sets $UID. G$gid sets $gid.